Hi, I'm Jim Brickell from EdLearn Ford Lincoln. Today we're sitting in the 2024 Ford Edge. A viewer was asking about the navigation system and wanting a little better explanation as to how it worked. So this year it's a connected service. You must activate your Ford Pass app before the connected services become available. In this particular case, I've connected Ford Pass, I've activated it, which means my connected services such as navigation are going to be applicable. So we hit navigation and it brings up our map. If we did not connect the Ford Pass app, you would have the map, but you would not have the where to. So because I am connected, I can go where to, I can go home, work, I can explore things, my recent places I visited, saved locations, I can even check fuel prices. So if I needed gas, I can hit fuel prices. It shows the closest gas stations, how far they are from here, and what their current price is. So it's very handy, and you might be able to save yourself a few bucks. So we hit that off. Now, there's a few choices in how the map displays. So right now this is saying 3D and you're heading up on the screen. You can also set it where north is at the top. So if you're driving south, you'll be driving down on the screen. I prefer to drive up myself. And in this case, this is the 2D still driving up on the screen. Now, you can change the screen with a little pinch action so you can go farther out, in closer. And because I had checked the gas prices, they're showing now where those actually are on the map. You can change the orientation on your map. You can rotate it 90 degrees. And when you want to pick a location, once again, where to, now you've got a search bar. So this time I'm going to type something in. So as I started typing the words EdLearn, came up with saved and recent, EdLearn Ford. I'm going to hit go.
Please drive to highlighted route.
So if I had picked something farther away, it shows where you are now and where you want to finish. So the checkered flag is your finish line. Now, of course, I don't need to drive a couple feet away and take 4 seconds. That would be kind of silly. But it was just to show what it looks like at the start and what it looks like at the finish. Now, you might want to cancel your route. So you go onto your steering wheel, the one that looks like a talking head, push that in. Cancel route.
Canceling route.
So whether you say route or route, the vehicle will understand. Now, maybe you don't want to be looking for that button on the steering wheel each time. So push here, and now you've got the words Ford Assistant. So you can set it up for a wake word. Okay, Ford. Set temperature 20 degrees.
Setting temperature to 20 degrees.
Okay, Ford. Find a place.
How can I help you? You can ask me to make a phone call, find a place, or play music.
Find a place.
To find a place, say the name of the place. For an address, just say the address.
Tim Hortons.
Which item would you like?
1.
Here's what I found. You can say set as destination.
Set as destination.
Starting route to Tim Hortons. Please drive to highlighted route.
So once again, it's going to be a very short drive as it's very close to us. Okay, Ford. Cancel route.
Canceling route.
So I hope this gives you a better explanation as to how the navigation system works. I'm Jim Brickell. Enjoy your vehicle.